Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to start CodeXpress Node.js app. CodeXpress is an app that helps you save time and effort and lets you focus on developing the content of your website. It provides you with authentication with different authorization levels, such as normal, author, editor, and admin users. It also allows you to manage and organize the creation, review, and viewing of contents with a comments section. Additionally, it has an accounts control page for admins. To use CodeXpress, you need to have two things installed on your device: MongoDB and Node.js. If you don't have them or don't know how to install and run them, you can watch my previous video where I explain everything step by step. I will add the link to that video in the eye above and in the description below. Once you have MongoDB and Node.js ready, you can download the code for CodeXpress from the link in the description below. You will get a zip file that contains all the files and folders for the app. Extract the zip file to a location of your choice, and then open the app.js file in your code editor. In this file, you need to change two things: the database name here to your database name, and the secret of the user session. It should be long and complex like the one here. Next, you need to change the database name in another file, in models.dbconnect.js. This file is responsible for connecting to the MongoDB database. You can find the database name in this line of code. Finally, you need to add the email and password of the email account that will be used for sending emails to users. This is needed for verifying and resetting user accounts and send notifications. In this file, you need to change these 3 lines of code. Make sure that your email account allows less secure apps to access it. You can check this setting in your email account settings. Now you are ready to run the app. To do that, you need to open 2 terminals, one for running MongoDB server and one for running Node.js server. If you don't know how to do that, please watch my installation video that I mentioned before. After running both servers, you can open your browser and navigate to localhost 3000. This is the home page of CodeXpress app. It contains some contents that I created before. Each content has a title, but the body is empty, so you can customize according to your needs. You can open any content by clicking on it. This is a content page where you can see more details about the content. You can also see a comments section where users can write comments, react, and reply. However, you cannot do any of these actions until you log in. Before logging in, you can visit the author profile by clicking on his image. This will take you to their profile page where you can see their name and other contents that they have created. Now let's move to the sign up page where you can create a new account for CodeXpress app. To do that, you need to enter your name, email, and password. The name and email should be unique, so the app will prevent any duplicates. There is also a password validation that checks if your password is strong enough. Now click on Sign Up button. This will take you to the email verification page where you need to enter a verification code that was sent to your email address. Check your inbox for an email from CodeXpress app and copy the code from there. Then paste it in the verification code field and click on the Verify button. Now the account is verified. There is another feature. If you forget your password, you can click on Forgot Password link. This will ask you to enter your account email and then send you a reset link to your email address. When you click on this link, it will open new tab for Reset Password page to set the new password, then click Reset button. This will take you to the login page. Now let's log in with our new password. After logging in, you will see a profile page that shows your name and profile image. The profile page is empty for normal users, but I added it in case you want to add some more details later. You can also see an account setting page where you can change your profile image, your password, or delete your account. Additionally, you have a notifications icon where you can see any notifications related to your account or contents. Now, if you move to any content page, you can write comments and they will appear directly without reloading for all users who are viewing the same page. You can also react to comments and write replies to comments. For the author of the content, he can react with love instead of like and dislike. In the right side window, I will log in with an admin account. You will see an accounts control page where you can see all the user accounts separated by their authorization levels. You can also change the authorization level of any user by clicking on this select element. For example, I will change the authorization level of our new account from normal to author. In the right side of the screen, where I logged in with our new account, I will receive a notification about the change, and I need to log out and log in again to apply the changes. Now after logging in again, I will open Profile page. It will view content control sections. If I click on the Add button, it will open a form where I can enter the name of my content. As I said before, the form is empty, so you can add your own content details. This will add my content to the Under Review section, where it will wait for an editor or an admin to review it and approve it or reject it. To review a content, I need to select it first by clicking on the Select button. I can also open the content by clicking on it before selecting it, but I can't approve or reject it until I select it. This will prevent any other reviewer from reviewing it as it will disappear from their list. After selecting a content, I can see two buttons, Approve and Reject. If I reject a content, it will be sent back to its author with a reason for rejection. If I approve a content, it will be published on the app and visible to all users. I will also create another content for approval. The author of this content will receive a notification about the approval. If I open this content as the author, I will see two new options, Views and Settings. The Views option shows how many times this content has been viewed by normal or non-logged in users. The Settings option allows me to hide or delete this content. If I hide a content, it will be hidden from normal users and other authors, but still visible to editors and admins. When I open the content without login or with normal account, the views increase by 1. If I change the user account from admin to editor, I will see a similar menu as the admin, but with one difference. I do not have access to account control page. In accounts control, you can also send warnings. Ban the account temporarily for a number of days. If the user tries to log in, it gives him a message that the admin banned his account with the reason and the time that the ban will be ended at. Or delete the account permanently. If the user tries to log in, it gives him message that the admin deleted his account. After that, it will give him that his account not exist. For all previous notifications that were sent to users through the app, they were also sent to their email addresses as backup messages. That's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. If you like CodeXpress app, you can get it from the link in description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.